We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names many mispronounce, including from Spanish, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community. So in Spanish, in Castilian Spanish, Spanish from Spain, this is said as Macias, Macias, so just consider the C like a TH with your tongue between your teeth. Macias is how you say it. Now, in other parts of the world, in South America, Latin America, this where the C would be pronounced more like an S as Macias, Macias. So both pronunciations would be correct, just a slightly different accent or way of saying it. Macias or Macias. And now, you know, like this video, if you found it useful, I appreciate your support, it helps me a lot. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.